Today I'm going to show you how to get your Amplitude chart data directly into your spreadsheet using Coefficient. I already have Coefficient open, but once you've installed Coefficient, you can launch the extension here, find Coefficient, and hit launch. Once you have Coefficient open, you can select Import From, add a source, find Amplitude, and select Connect. Hit Authorize. You'll be redirected to a new tab with our cloud browser, and here you'll sign into your Amplitude account. Once you've authorized, you'll be redirected to your spreadsheet where you'll now see the import preview window. You can navigate to the tab with your Amplitude chart, copy the URL, and then back to your spreadsheet to paste the URL in the box provided. Select Next. Here you'll see a preview of your chart data, and if you like what you see, you can select to import into your spreadsheet. Do note that if you make changes to your chart in Amplitude, the URL updates and the chart URL of your import will need to be updated to reflect those changes. Now that your chart data is in your spreadsheet, you can select to have it refresh on an hourly, daily, or weekly cadence so that your data is always up to date. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel confident in creating your own Amplitude imports. If you encounter any difficulties, please don't hesitate to reach out to our technical support team. Thank you for watching and happy importing.